All of the hypothesis tests that we will be looking at in this chapter are right-tail tests. So here's the table to find the critical values f0, and this is for alpha equal to 0.05 and alpha equal to 0.01. Number 1 says, find the critical value f0 when alpha is equal to 0.01. The degrees of freedom in the numerator are equal to 3, and the degrees of freedom in the denominator are equal to 12. So that would be right here. So 5.95. Number 2 wants us to find the critical value when alpha is equal to 0.05. The degrees of freedom in the numerator are 5, and the degrees of freedom in the denominator are 4. So that would be right here. So 6.26.